Good morning. Second day in Pilgrimage of my walking. So ito yung walk natin, guys. Ayan. Ayun, maraming nagwo-walking at nagja-jogging. So, yan, may masasalubong na naman akong nagwo-walking. Pawis pa more, guys. Health more. So I have chance to walk since I am in the Philippines. But my area in Honolulu, I don't have same like this. But in Honolulu, there is walking area, but it's not really near where I live at. So it's my chance now. Medyo maaga na nga medyo ano na, makikita na yung init. 6:16 in the morning in Philippines when I walk. So that's the views over here. A lot of view walking. Hinihingal ako. Paligid, guys, very refreshing. Morning. Mag-greet din ng morning, guys. Pinipili lang yun. Pinipili lang. Hindi, guys, kasi may dito sa Pilipinas, alam kong mostly hindi sanay na morning sila, parang ini-snap ka. But of course, nakita ko yung mukha na very friendly. So I do the same thing what I did in Honolulu. So in USA, we always see morning if you been encounter people dyan. Pawis na ako. Okay, I need to say bye for now, and I continue my walking. So that one in there is establishment area, so dyan lang ako sa dulo. Ang ganda na paligid, guys, dito. Sagutin nyo, guys, or i-ano nyo kung saang lugar ito, saan located. Mayroon po kayong patala sa akin or transfer into G. So, sagot-sagot lang dyan kung saan to exactly. And actually I am in Cavite, but where exactly located this one in Cavite. Bye, guys.